Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, pro-market analyst at Hantec. On Thursday, the 9th of April, looking at euro dollar, which is basically in a consolidation pattern, really. It's got the hourly chart here, and just in the last few days, it's started just to settle down, not really going anywhere. The rebound that we saw on the daily chart, where that strong bull candle that saw the market reacting higher on Tuesday, has just sort of lost its impetus. And we're seeing momentum indicators basically flattening off, nothing really decisive in terms of direction, but a very slight negative bias remains. And it just seems as though that we're still seeing that move that is in the corrective phase. So we look on the hourly chart and we see that there are some levels to work with. 109 big figure up towards 109.70. Seems to be a resistance band of overhead supply. If you sort of bring the chart back a little bit, you can see this is a clutch of resistance around this level, and that capped the gains on Tuesday, and then subsequently a basis of resistance as well Wednesday. So developing into that overhead supply area, that seems to be a bit of a resistance line. Now 108.30 seems to be capping the downside as well, limiting that move to the downside. 108.30 was the breakout of this little base pattern over the weekend into Monday, into Tuesday, and it's just sort of holding above that level. And what you do see at the moment are these momentum indicators that are settling between 40 and 60 on RSI on the hourly, MACD about around neutral. Stochastics a shade or so higher with that little uptick that we've seen in the last couple of hours, but nothing really doing in terms of direction on euro dollar at the moment. And it'll be interesting to see how the markets respond to this Euro group meeting, which is today, but also OPEC Plus could drive a bit of volatility around the dollar. But once that's in the price, once the markets have reacted to that, well, it'll be interesting to see, because we've got Easter weekend, so maybe a degree of settling. But yeah, if this is potentially the calm ahead of the Eurogroup meeting storm, then it's fairly much consolidation as we see it. But to be honest, we're still seeing this negative bias on euro dollar, and we're still sort of favouring a retreat back towards 107.70 area, and ultimately possibly the retest of 106.35. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinar.